everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So what do I have for you today? Today I did a little bit of shopping on Nordstrom. I had these on my Nordstrom wish list for quite some time. Some of them left my wish list, and when they came back, I decided, you know what, maybe I should get them because I'm going to be regretting letting them go again. So I ordered them. We'll see how they work or don't work, and we'll do a try on. All right, the first thing I wanted to get were these earrings. Now, these were not on my wish list for a while, but when I didn't get any of the earrings I wanted in my Wantable, which by the way was very disappointing, I decided to order these. These are by Argento Vivo. They're the sterling silver Vivo Marquis, all right? Look at these earrings, how cute they are. And I will try them on for you because I'm almost positive I'm gonna keep these. And these were $58. Argento Vivo, they're a little bit tangled there. Argento Vivo is a name brand that I do like a lot. I think it's quality, decent jewelry without it being, you know, it's costume, I guess, jewelry, but sterling silver is a precious metal. So yeah, I really like these earrings. I think they're fun, and I can't see a reason why I wouldn't keep them. All right, so that's the first thing I purchased. The next thing I purchased, I've been really wanting, I don't know why, a denim jumpsuit. So this is my second time trying a denim jumpsuit. I already know the Good American will not work for me. I tried it in 2 different sizes. It just does not work. This is the Free People Jade Denim Jumpsuit, flare jumpsuit in the color Sunburst Blue, and it was $158, which is not cheap, but you gotta remember, it is a top and a bottom combined. All right, let's talk about this detail, right? It has a zippered up front and like a cinched in waist, which some like pin tucking, I guess you would call it, or seam detail that I would think also in the back would make you look very attractive. It's in this medium wash blue, no distressing, and this big flared leg, and it has short sleeve. Now, I got this in my usual size, extra small, and spoiler alert, I already tried this on because I was so excited to get it. It is just too small, and this is gonna have to go back, and it's also too long in the legs, so there's no sense in me in sizing up. This one is not gonna work for me either, but I will try it on for you so you can get an idea in case maybe you're a little bit taller than me and a little bit thinner than me. This one might work for you, and you might want it. I think it's adorable. It just does not work for my body shape, all right? Next up, all right, this was part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale, I think 2 years in a row. It usually goes for $170. It was then marked down to $118 during both anniversary sales, like 2 years in a row, and it's been on my list for like that long, okay? It got down to $71.60. This is the Blanc Noir hooded motion panel quilted down coat. All right, hooded. I didn't even realize there was a hood on this. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure this out. Maybe there's a hood on the inside? There's no hood. All right, so I'm a little bit confused. So I don't know about this. I'm gonna have to try it on and see how I like it. I think Laura from Little Box of Happy has this jacket. I'm not so sure. I'm gonna have to try it on, see how I like it, see how it fits. I think it's a cute, sporty jacket. I'm not so sure if it's for me though. I think it's a great price. I'll try it on and we'll see how it looks. If I like the way it looks on me, I might change my mind. Oh, and it is like a moto style. I didn't realize that it has like the asymmetrical zip, and that's something I did not realize, which is fine by me. You know, I like my moto jackets. And yeah, it's down filled and it's got zippers here. All right, and motion quilted, no hood. Okay, yeah, hooded motion. Blanc Noir, hooded motion. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure this one out. All right. The last one I got, right? And this one I'm the most excited about, other than the earrings. This was on my list, it disappeared from my list, and it popped back up again. Do I need this? Absolutely not. This is the Blanc NYC faux leather bomber jacket with removable hood, $98. The color is called On Your Mind. It's tan, camel, whatever you call it. I have a tan blazer. I have like a beige blazer. I have a tan let's see, shacket. Do I like a color like this color? Do I really need this? No, I don't, you know, and I have this color moto right here. Do I need this? No, I don't, but this is nice. I think I'm liking this. Comparing this to the one I got in my Stitch Fix. Now, the one on my Stitch Fix was ivory, right? But comparing the quality of this one, the other one was BB Dakota that I got in my Stitch Fix. This is nice. This you would not think is faux leather. This is a nice quality faux leather. And I have to say, I am usually very pleased with my Blanc NYC motos. This one has, and this is not a moto, it is a bomber style. This has a reversible zip out hood that has actually 2 zippers. So it's, you know, it has the zipper here. Let's see if I can show you right here. So it's not fully like a sweat jacket, but it does have the inner zip of a sweat jacket. And then the jacket itself also zips up. It has the lapels here that do not button down, okay? And it has the elastic sized waist down at the bottom instead of the moto style, and just a regular non-asymmetrical zip. So it's a bomber style, kind of like a cross between a bomber and a moto, you know, with this detail here at the lapels. I'm gonna try this on, and if it looks good on me, I think I'm gonna keep it because I really like this jacket. This looks nice hanging on the hanger. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna style some things for you. Okay, I'm in trouble. So I tried to pair this pretty neutral so I can try on both jackets. I put on the LNA top that I just kept from my Stitch Fix, and then I put on these dangly earrings, and I absolutely love them. They're staying with me. And with it I have on the bomber jacket from Blanc NYC. Love it. It fits perfect. Extra small is the size that I typically wear. And this got lost on me originally in Nordstrom. It's sold out, and it came back in stock in my size, so I grabbed it, and I do like this. So this does zipper out, okay? So if you're not fond of the hooded look, you don't have to wear it. I like it. I think it adds some interest to it, and then you can actually zip it up and make it a little bit warmer, okay? Let me make sure that it zips here for you. Give me a minute. Okay, so that's the front part zipped up, and then if I want it zipped up again, which I probably would never do unless it's very cold out, all right, and then that's zipped up as well too. But I wear most of my jackets open, and I'm terrible. Like today when we went to the diner, I was wearing the other moto, and I didn't wear anything else, and it's like 30 degrees out. I just ran from the car to the restaurant, and that was all I wore. I'm like, my husband's like, you crazy? And I'm like, but I'm not going to be outside for long, just from the car to the restaurant. So yeah, this is a keeper. I love it. It'd be one of those things I'd be sad to send back, and I'm trying not to be sad because life is too short. All right, give me a minute. I'm going to pop on the black one. Okay, this had been on my wish list forever, and I've read the reviews, and I was a little bit hesitant based on the reviews, but I'm going to have to send this back. First place, where are my hands? There are thumb holes in this, right? I could put my thumbnails in it, but again, it's quite long here. And even though it's an extra small, this is definitely something I can layer with, and it's quite noisy, all right? Can you hear all the noise that's coming from this? Yeah, I don't think this is me. I mean, I think maybe if it really fit me a little bit better, I might be interested in it. If this interests you, there are 2 pockets here in the front. And I did notice when I opened it up and looked on the inside, there is a place here, looks like to put your cell phone. So it's like a little pouch here that you can unseal, and you can put your phone right in here. Yeah, and a place even, I want to show you, because this is an athletic shirt. You could, a little hole here to put your like wire to put your headphones on. So that's nice. You can put your phone in here, put the wire in, put your headphones on. So this is a good jacket, like if you walk outdoors. This is a great jacket. I was thinking of more being like a trendy kind of chic kind of jacket, which it is, but I'm going to have to say no to this one, and that I won't be heartbroken to send this one back. The tan one, I'll be heartbroken. This one, I won't be. The earrings, I'd be heartbroken. This, I can safely send back and not have regrets over it. If it fit maybe a little bit better, I might be interested in it. One thing I do have to say on this, I mean, I just got this, and maybe because it's been around in inventory, I mean, look, there's like a string hanging here already. So this is quilted, and I think I saw another string somewhere on it as well, too. I'm not sure, but yeah, going back. Okay, give me a minute. I'm going to try on that jumpsuit. I'm kind of dreading it because it's very tight, so give me a minute. Okay, there is a hood in this jacket, and it took me forever to find it, all right? It is kind of like a windbreaker type of style. So, yeah, it has like a little zipper, and it's like shoved here in the pockets. So I thought that was kind of really neat and ingenious. I didn't even see the zipper in it. That's how like well hidden it was within the jacket. So again, if you are an outdoor walker, I would recommend this jacket. This just isn't for me. I mean, I have other sweat jackets. When I go to the gym, I'm literally just from my car to the gym in like 2 seconds. I just throw on a sweat jacket. So I don't need this, and I won't be sad to send it back. All right, the jumpsuit, all right? It is skin tight on me. So it does have these funky pockets right here. So the good news is, even though it is a skin tight, the pockets aren't pulling. It has a zipper going all the way up here. It is smashing the girls together. It is like giving me flat bust because it is so tight around the top. It's not comfortable at all around the waist. Again, I squashed myself in this. And as you can see, it is absolutely too long on me. I'm okay with wearing my pants a little long, but these are like, well, I guess with these heels I can get away with it. They're not quite dragging on the floor. But yeah, I can barely breathe in this. So this is not comfortable, so this is also going back. But I'm very happy I did this haul. 2 out of 4 items I consider a success, and that is it. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I do shopping hauls, try-ons. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.